Here's how to use Strava on your Garmin watch in 2025 the right way. Step 1. Connect Strava with Garmin Connect. Open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Go to Settings, Connected Apps, and tap Strava. Agree, sign in, and authorize the connection. Once it's linked, Strava will pull in all of your last 90 days of workouts, and from now on, every Garmin activity will automatically show up in your Strava timeline. Step 2. Sync your Strava routes to your Garmin watch. In Garmin Connect, go to More, Settings, Connected Apps, and make sure Courses is enabled for Strava. Then go to Training and Planning, Courses, pick your route, and sync it. On your Garmin watch, just start an activity, hit Menu, Browse, Courses, choose the route, and hit Start. Your watch will now guide your navigation. Now, a couple of quick fixes for common problems. If your sync seems slow or stuck, don't panic. It's usually just server delays or maintenance. Leave the apps connected, and it'll resolve itself. If you're missing heart rate data, double-check Strava has permission to access your health data. And if you're only using Strava, make sure your Garmin is set to broadcast as a heart rate monitor. That's it. Your Garmin and Strava are now fully connected. If this guide helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.